Another quality listing by Sabella Realty. What a great location and a perfect home to relax by the pool with gorgeous views of the Caloosahatchee River. Contemporary, cute one-bedroom first-floor unit with an open floor plan, not to mention water is included. Brand new air conditioner in 2019, new tankless hot water tank, new pipes. The amenities include a riverfront pool, community room, fitness room and barbecue grills. This condo is a few blocks from entertainment and dining. And a quick dash over the bridge to the historic downtown district where there is so much to choose from: shopping, restaurants, live music, clubs and countless festivals throughout the year. Go and show, bring us an offer.